Okay, this feels a bit crazy. I have a baby bird in my hand, pressed against my dungarees, climbing a ladder. Okay, so I just had a slightly dramatic incident. I was in here working and I heard loads of cheeping noises really loudly, and I realised that a baby bird had got trapped down the back of the insulation foam in the roof. So I've got it out, it's in here, but I need to try and get it back somewhere that the parents, which I think are blue tits, will feed it. So this might not be the ideal solution, but I had an idea. There's this old bird box in the wood pile that I've been meaning to mend, and I thought what I might do is put the baby inside and then put it up on the wall near where the parents have been going in the nest, and then just hope that they will start feeding it inside here. I don't know if this will work. The thing is, whether the parent birds will be okay with this nest box, I have no idea. I don't know what else I can do though. So up here at the top is where I saw the blue tit parents going into the roof somehow. So if I put the box here, I don't know what else I can do. Okay, come on little one. Come on. No, no, no. Go on. In you go. As I was climbing up the ladder with the box and the baby bird inside, I realised that the plan wasn't really going to work because I was so scared of dropping the box with the baby in, and screwing it into the wall with the baby inside I thought would just be too stressful for it. Okay, so slight change of plan. When I was up there with the box, I actually noticed that there's a hole, and I've just had a look and I've seen the parents going into it at the very top of the roof, and I think the better bet might be if I just take the baby up there, shove him in the hole, and hope that the parents find him, because I don't think they're going to actually find him in the bird box, and I don't want him to just die. Okay, this feels a bit crazy. I have a baby bird in my hand, pressed against my dungarees, climbing a ladder. I hope this works. Oh God. He's gone in. I think he's gone in. Oh my God. Stay in there. Don't fall out. Oh my God, I think it worked. I think it worked. He went in the hole. Hopefully he's found the place. Okay. Oh, that was quite funny. When I shoved him in the hole, he ran straight in there as if he knew where he was going. I hope he's found his family. I'm just watching now from a distance to see that the parents are still going in there, and they've been in a few times, so hopefully he's going to get fed with the others. Such a nice day. So this morning is exciting because Terry, the electrician, is supposed to be coming to help me do the electrics in the barn. Once the electricity is in, I can think about the insulation and painting the walls and the floorboards. So yeah, it's really exciting, and hopefully it all goes to plan. So it's here underneath the floor frame that we need to put the electricity. So I've chased the walls for my sockets in all these places, and I just need to get Terry to put conduit with the electric cables under the floor, like running through here, and then it's going to leave the building up here in the corner. So I've got some lights to go in here as well. They're just basic like IKEA lights, but I'm going to try and put them on the beams up here. Oh, they're quite bendy already. So you open it, how do you open it?
You just undo it, as if you're undoing it.
Oh, I see. And then, all right. I helped Terry do the electrics. I cut some of the conduit and fitted it and helped him put the cables through it. Okay.
Brown is live. Blue is neutral. L and N. That's it.
He also showed me how to wire up some of the sockets, and I did a few of those myself. Oh, wow! Oh! Once the electricity was in, I could fill the holes in the wall with mortar. I also started moving things out of the studio, ready for painting the walls in there. So it's time to start painting in here the final coat of lime wash. I'm being extra careful this time. I've got this suit and I've got goggles because I found last time the watery lime wash, as you slop it on, it splashes everywhere, which is why I've covered everything with newspaper. Also, I don't want it to go in my eyes because it's very alkaline, I think, so it's not good for your skin or anything like that. Okay, I don't believe this. It's happened again. There's another baby bird is scratching around in this place again. Why? Ugh, bird drama. Okay. It's definitely in there, I can hear it. I'm gonna see if I can get it to just fall straight into the tub. Come on. Come on. Go in the tub. Go in the tub. Ooh. Hello. Oh, you are incredibly cute. Are you nearly ready to fly? Is that why you keep falling out of your nest? Darling, come on. Let's go. Come on. Here we go again. Come on, let's go. Let's go home. Okay, we're going to go in there. Don't fall again. I can't be doing this every day. I'm going to put this back for now, just in case any more of them slide down. They will be caught here and have a soft landing rather than hitting the floor. But I really hope they don't fall down anymore, okay? Did you hear me? Guess what's happened again? I can hear one in here cheeping. Either it's moved over here or there's another one in here. This is ridiculous. Oh. Oh. Come on, Karen. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on. Now, this time, please, don't do that. You have a good will to survive. I like it. I'm impressed. But please stop falling out of your nest. Go in the hole. Baby, go in the hole. Oh. Also, the cat is right over there, which is not great. Go in there. You live in there. Come on. Do you not like it in there? Is that why you keep escaping? This is becoming a bit stressful, actually. This time, when I shoved him in the hole, he wouldn't go in. He clung to the outside. And now I don't really know if he's gone in and found the nest. And I haven't seen the parents fly in for a while. I can hear them cheeping. There's definitely more babies in there. I hope the parents come back soon. I don't know what I'm doing here. I just don't know what else to do with these baby birds. After a few minutes, I noticed that one of the parents had turned up, and it looked like the baby had come outside onto the top of the roof with one of the parents, and then the parent flew to the tree and the baby followed it. So I think that was its first go at flying, and Hopefully the parents know what they're doing and will be looking after it now in the tree. Hello? Oh, okay, now it's happening on this side of the room as well. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, come on. This one of the baby birds was very calm and stayed on my hand for ages. Come on, let's go. You're gonna go outside, you're gonna go free. What do you think? Is it nice? Your first time outside. I took him outside, hoping that he would fly off like the other one. Go for it. You can do it. Go. Fly. Fly free. Go on. But he just stayed on my hand. You need to go. You can't stay on my finger forever. You're very, very cute. I'm not your mama. After spending a few minutes with this bird, I decided I should put him in the tree with the other one. Go in the tree. Hopefully his parents will find him there. He keeps calling to them, so they should be able to find him. Oh, uh-oh. Ah! Okay. Oh, this one is lively. Oh no. Come on, let go. Let go. They were very clumsy and disorientated, and putting it in the tree was surprisingly difficult. It clung onto my hand and then it fell out of the tree a couple of times. I don't know if all these birds will be okay, but I've done the best I can to help them. Okay, I'm losing track of how many we've done now. I think it's 3 or 4 that have fledged and are outside. I don't know how many more there might be. It's up to their parents now. cheeping noise, which means the babies have left the nest. I'm just going to take this panel down and try and find it, and then I need to block up where they've been coming in because I don't want them to make any more nests up here. Woo. This is so weird, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. I have no idea where the nest actually was. I was not expecting to have to rip this insulation down. Oh. So, just to be safe, I'm going to get some more expanding foam and I'm going to fill all these spaces so that in future no birds can come in here and get stuck again. So I've filled every gap I can see now with expanding foam, and I'm going to put the insulation that I took down back. After such a long winter, there was some really nice spring weather recently. It's been warm and sunny, and I've just been enjoying places like the orchard here. It's so wonderful when all the grass is long, and lying under the trees is just so relaxing.